the 1st, 2026. I'm going to have to get used to saying that. This guy's always got stuff for sale up here, and I'm not interested in this van because I couldn't tell a minute ago, but it's got the slide door. I've had those slide doors before, and they may have improved them to a point where they're okay, but do not want to have anything to do with those sliding doors. And additionally, now that I've had this 2019 extended van, I like this extended version. So the short versions, like I've had my 2000, are just not what I'm going to be looking for. This van, is the 3500 with limited slip, the extended. Let's just see what he wants for this. Well, it's a 2012. He says it's in perfect condition. It's a 4.3 liter V6. I don't know how many miles on it. He wants 5,700 or best offer. I've driven the 4.3 in a 23 model. It runs good, drives good, but everything I'm reading and researching, and I don't know if that is a 2500 or 15 or what rating that one is, heavy duty rating, but these vans are not light vehicles, and to keep from straining the motor, they use the gear ratio and the transmission and possibly the rear end, and so the engine's going to have to run at higher RPMs to keep it from straining that motor. I mean, it's got plenty of power on pickup, but there again, it's going to be running a lot higher RPMs than these larger V8s. So I've already decided, whatever we do not want a 4.3 V6. Not even the 5.3 V8 or the whatever that one is. We like this 6.0. If we get something else, we're going to be looking for 21 or 22 6.6 liter with an 8-speed transmission. But we haven't decided what we're going to do about this one yet. So, I mean, it's getting great gas mileage. We're getting 18 miles, a little over 18 miles a gallon. The 3500 extended van with a 6-liter V8. This thing runs good. I mean, it is saving us a lot of money on gas. Oh, and may as well get to that point now. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need it. We need it. We're trying to get this channel to where it would at least break even. We're a long way from it. But the gas mileage in this one is definitely helping. We're getting 40 to 45% better mileage than we do in our 2000 or what we get in that 98. And when we're on the road putting 1,000 miles on something in 5 days, that's huge. And from what I've read, the 6.6 liter V8 is even more powerful. It's got 400 horsepower. This one's, I think, got 340 or 350 and 3-something torque, and that one's got more torque, more horsepower. But it's an 8-speed transmission, which gives you 2 overdrive gears. And from what I'm reading, you get even better mileage with that. But we do want an extended, and we want at least a 2500. Prefer this 3500. I'd like to find a 3500 passenger extended with the dual, auxiliary heat and air. But those are not going to be cheap. I ran across one up there at Vicky's 3 years ago, 2010. Had everything loaded. It was a great van for $10,000. One owner, family owned. I should have bought that van, but I didn't. There's a lot of things I should have, would have, could have, should have done. Okay, there again, 1st of January, 37 degrees, going to, I think, about 60. Going to be an absolutely wonderful first winter day of 2026. We have some news we're going to announce probably the first of the week about the channel, which I'm really hopeful that it's going to help get us much closer to black instead of red. It has the potential for putting us into black, but until we get everything set up, I don't want to say too much. But we do have it in the works. So be looking for that around the first of the week. We're going to turn in here and just let y'all see this a little bit. This is going to be a huge, I'm pretty sure, a single family development, or it may be multi-family. They may have a combined, it may be multi-use, but it's supposed to, I think, have over 2,000 housing units. Looks like they're making a pretty big deal of it, whatever and all, everything they're doing up here. We're going to follow this along and see see how it develops. We've got some pictures of this before they started it all, some really nice railroad pictures that were just absolutely gorgeous. We are going to be going down like normal through Atlanta over to my daughter's in Ackworth for the next couple of days, but we're going to try to go a different way. We've gone into and out of Atlanta about every way we can think of, so we need to get some variety in this. We're probably not, we may video, but we probably won't post it going down 85. We're going to stop this one and get it going, so y'all know what we're up to. We hope to be able to get up to Rome and up at maybe Somerville on this trip. We haven't been able to get up there in a while. We're going to be incorporating some new stuff, some high-tech stuff. We've opened a Fidelity individual stock account. We are going to track that. I shouldn't do this, but we're going to borrow money to put in it. We're going to gamble. We're going to bet. So it'll be interesting. Y'all follow along, see how that comes out. We'll go with that. I was just going to put $500 in it, but I've changed. We're going to put about $6,000 in it, maybe a little bit more, and we're going to gamble. And I've already got my mind set. If we lose it, we lose it. If we make it, we make it. So that. We're going to be doing some high-tech stuff, more high-tech stuff, product reviews. We're going to try to really, broaden and increase the interest in the channel and try to grow it to where we can at least break even. If we can do that, we might be able to upgrade the van here and get something newer and go ahead. And we may do this. We may go ahead and take off across the country in this one. Take a chance on it, or the 2000, or the 98. We're going to have to sell a couple of them to help finance our stock account. Hey, you go GSP, go get you somebody. GSP has been hard on 129. This is 129. We're headed north and west. They've been hard on 85. I bet they were out last night, New Year's Eve. So, y'all follow along, like, share, and subscribe. We're going to try to really do some interesting things this year and get this channel up. We've got about 3373, I think, subscribers. For this channel to break even, it looks like, unless this thing that we're going to do really comes through, it looks like we need about 10,000 subscribers to break even. We need people to watch deeper into the videos. Click on the ads. I know you don't like them. I don't like them. But the ads are what pays for the YouTube channel. I guess that's about it for right now. This one's long enough. So I think we'll use the Osmo Action 5 to video going down 85. That way, if anything interesting comes up, we'll have it. But we'll be using 4 different phones, trying to keep the batteries charged and keep them from overheating, and uploading as we go if we can. But it takes a good connection, which is iffy on the road. Starlink, I'd really like to get Starlink. They've got $50 for 50 gigabytes. 50 gigabytes won't do anything for me. I need unlimited gigabytes. 2 or 3 videos will bust 50 gigabytes. And if I go super high definition, you know, two videos will bust it. So we need the support to get to even. Okay, we're going to turn this off. I've run my yap long enough. So please, again, like, share, and subscribe.